Hallo! Today we will be learning an interesting topic. Die Länder und Sprachen. Das Land bedeutet country. Die Länder bedeuten countries. That is the plural form. Die Sprache bedeutet language. Und die plural form ist die Sprachen. That is languages. So watch this video till the end and you will be able to tell me which country you belong to and which all languages you can speak. So the names of continents, countries, regions, cities and valleys are neutrum, that is neuter, in the vast majority of the cases. If a particular country is masculine or feminine, the gender of the country is mentioned with the help of the articles. So if the country is feminine, then the article will be the. If the country is masculine, then the article will be there. So now let us begin with the country whose language we are learning. Deutschland. Germany in German language is called Deutschland. Und man spricht in Deutschland Deutsch. One speaks in Germany Deutsch. Dann haben wir Indien. Then we have India. Die Sprache ist Hindi. The language is Hindi. Italien. Italienisch. Frankreich, Französisch. Ägypten, Arabisch. Russland, Russisch. Griechenland, Griechisch. Spanien, Spanisch. Österreich, Deutsch. China, Chinesisch. Japan, Japanisch. Die Türkei, Türkisch. Polen, Polnisch. The USA. So here you can see as it is United States of America, that is plural, we have the article the. The USA. Die Sprache ist Englisch. Die Schweiz. Deutsch. Australian, English. Now let me tell you which country I come from and which all languages I can speak. Ich komme aus Indien und ich spreche Hindi, Marathi, Bengalisch, English und Deutsch. So in the comment section below, do mention which country you come from and which all languages you can speak. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, cheers!